In this video, I will show you how to manage funds within Profit Sharing 2.0 account. This is the My Portfolio menu of the Profit Sharing 2.0 interface, where you can see all services that you are following. Press on the three dots button and then on For Trading Services. You will be transferred to the Service Management page. If you have more than one service, there is a drop-down menu in the top left corner to select from all your services the one you would like to manage. The page in front of our eyes now is the Manage Funds page. It contains three boxes and a transfer button. The top box shows total funds in service, so all the funds that are currently allocated. On the left side, we have a Trading Funds box that informs you about funds available for trading and used in positions. Available for trading shows the value of funds inside the Trading Funds account and not currently used for positions. Allocated for trading shows the total amount on Trading Funds account. When you have at least one position open, subtracting the upper amount number from the lower one will determine the number of funds currently involved in open positions or active orders. You can generate an API key for that service and perform trades with the use of capital on the Trading Funds account. Only those funds are used to calculate the margin on futures markets. On the right, we have the Standby Funds account. That funds are used for a different purpose: user withdrawals or capital protection. Thanks to that, you may not need to reduce funds from open positions or margin value when users would like to disconnect, for example. It's up to you how much funds you would like to keep in this account. Remember that standby accounts funds cannot be affected by liquidation, so you can move part of the funds there when you expect high volatility or you want to simply perform a risky trade. There are three numeric values in that field. First, available for withdrawals informs you about funds on standby account. Needed for daily snapshot tells you how much users want to disconnect during the following funds flow and inflow period called PSDS that happens every 24 hours. If that amount is more significant than available for withdrawals, you need to free some funds from your trading funds. Minimum balance is a parameter you can set, so it will automate the transfer of funds from standby to the trading account if they exceed the minimum amount set by you. So if someone allocates $300 and your minimum balance is set on $200 and there are no pending withdrawals, after the snapshot event, $100 from standby funds will be automatically moved to the trading funds under your custody. That action only happens one way, so from standby funds to trading funds. Zignaly will never decrease your trading funds account value, since that may affect your trading strategy, by lowering your margin, for example. How to move funds from one account to the other? You can use the transfer functionality, which is represented by the central transfer button. When you click on it, a new box will pop up. You can use the arrows button to switch from which account the transfer will be made. Type desired amount and press on the Transfer Now button to complete an action. As you can see, I've successfully transferred 4 USDT to Standby Funds account. Now I will create minimum balance rule. As I've mentioned earlier, if the balance of the standby account after the daily accounting snapshots exceeds the set minimum, additional funds will be moved automatically to the Trading Funds account. That way, you can have automation, so you will have less hassle with service management. You can also see how profit sharing balances works in detail by clicking on that link, which will get you to our help center. Happy management, and see you on Marketplace.